Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? This is your English class today. All of you open your English book and take out page number 76. Unit number 7 is about festivals in Pakistan, and we had already studied in the class about all the festivals of Pakistan. And I already told you about festivals in Pakistan. We just don't have only religious festivals. We have with religious festivals also included national festivals and cultural festivals. We had discussed in the class a lot about it, and so today we will do rest of the parts of the book exercise. So let's come on page number 81. All of you come on page number 81. Rest of the parts already we had done, like part A, part B, part C, and here we have underlined verbs in them with the correct synonyms from the box. We had done already, and preposition already we had done this work in the class. So today we will do rest of the exercise of the book. So you have to mention here classwork, day and date. So look at the question number. You can see here, this is the part of this exercise. So question is punctuate of the following sentences. We will put here punctuation marks in the following sentences. So you have given here 5 sentences, you can see here. So all of you know very well, in the punctuation we have to put some marks at the end of the question or at the end of the sentence, and in the beginning of the each sentence always letter should be capital. So look here, the city of Multan is in South Punjab. So you can see here I already underline all these words. You have to same like this underline all these words: the, I, Ahmed, oh and when. So first of all we have to capital the first letter of this word, the, T, I, capital, Ahmed, A, oh, O, when, W. So you can see here now, the city of the Multan is in South Punjab. This is a simple sentence, so we will put a full stop at the end of this simple sentence. Now I will go to school tomorrow. This is the simple sentence, so we will put here full stop. Ahmed is Zara's brother. So you can see here, first of all we will do the first letter is capital here, A. Ahmed is Zara's brother, full stop. But this word Zara's, we will put here apostrophe S. Ahmed Zara का भाई है. So for the word का we will use apostrophe S. Oh, how cruel he is. So you can see here, first of all we will do O capital, then we will put here exclamation mark. How cruel he is. हमने O के बाद exclamation mark को इसमें add किया, and at the end of the sentence we will put here question mark. When will your friend come here? W is capital, and at the end of the sentence we will put here question mark. So this is about the punctuation. Okay, so same you have to do like this on the book. So let's come on the page number 82. Same as you have to mention the classwork, day and date, and you have given here some words, so you have to write the opposite of these words. Okay, so joy, sadness, alike, different, kind, cruel, unlocked, locked, dull, interesting, death, life, disbelieve, believe, appeared, disappeared, enemies, friends, unsafe, safe. So these are the word opposite you have to do on your book. So students, also you have to given here some questions, you have to do it by yourself. Okay, and you also have given here hints. You can say these are the answers of all these questions. So with the help of these hints, you have to do these answer questions on your notebook. Okay, so I will read for you. Question number 1: do you like to receive letters? Why? Who has sent you a letter? Have you written a letter to anyone? After writing the letter, what did you put it in? Where do you post your letter? What do you write before you post your letter? So these are the questions and these are the hints, these are the answers relevant to these questions, and with the help of these hints you have to copy all these questions on your notebook. This is your homework. Okay, you must have to do it by yourself on your notebook. Given here all the answers. Okay students, so let's come on your workbook. Now you have to come on your workbook, page number 43. Mention the classwork, date and day. Now this is the relevant work. This is the relevant work about your unit number 7, festivals in Pakistan. Okay, so all of you know very well festivals mean and to celebrate something with full of joy, or we can say these are the different events. So it doesn't mean just the festivals mean relevant to religious or national or cultural festivals. Festivals should be whatever they are. Okay, so you can see here you have given the passage here, a party. So let's read. Adil and Fatma went to a party in Los Angeles on Monday, 18th May. It was their friend Amna's birthday. Altogether, 10 of Amna's school friends were there. So, Amna's school friends were invited there. They burst crackers and then had a lovely tea. Amna's cake had 8 candles. After tea, they played games. Amna's father and mother, Mr. and Mrs. Ali, also had a good time. Her pet Roger enjoyed the fun too. At 8 o'clock, all the happy guests left Amna's home in the high street. Each child was given a balloon and a present at the end of the party. Neil and Meera had a lot to tell their mother and father about the exciting games they had played. Some of their school friends were also present at the birthday party. Okay students, so this is the about, you can say, a small festival that Amna had celebrated at her home, a birthday party. So you can see this picture. So now let's come on page number 44. Okay, you have to mention the classwork, day and date, answer these questions. You can say this is maybe or we can say this is a comprehension type passage. So you have given here questions, so you have to do it on your workbook. So let's start. Where did Adil and Fatma go on 18th May? They went to Amna's birthday on 18th May. Whose birthday was it? It was Amna's birthday, full stop. How many school friends were there? There were 10 school friends. Okay, there were 10 school friends. What did they do at the party? They did lot of fun and then had a lovely tea party. How can you guess Amna's age? We could guess by counting 8 candles on her birthday cake. I don't have space here, that's why I'm writing here, but you have to try the whole sentence in a single line. Okay, who were the people? They were all her school friends. जो लोग वहाँ पर invited थे actually वो कौन थे? They were all her school friends. Who liked the fun? Everybody liked the fun. At what time did the guests go home? At 8 o'clock, all the guests went to home. Where did Amna live? Amna lived in Los Angeles. Full stop. How do you know that Adil and Fatma had a good time at the birthday party? Yes, we can take idea because they did lot of fun. That's why we can say Adil and Amna had a good time at the birthday party because they did lot of fun. Okay, students, so this is about your passage. So you have to do all your work that we have discussed in the today's lecture. Okay, you have to do it on your workbook, and also you have to done your book work. Okay, Allah Hafiz, take care of yourself.